What's up, guys? Here is another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have an unboxing of the Monoprice Monolith 10-inch THX Select Certified Subwoofer. So let's get to it. So here we are. This is the Monoprice Monolith 10-inch THX Select Certified 500 Watt Subwoofer. That's a super long name, and that's actually on Monoprice's website. It's a part of their Monolith Subwoofer series. They have a 10-inch, a 12-inch, and a 15-inch. This particular 10-inch is supposed to get down to around 18 hertz, vented in their extended DQ mode, and we'll try to test that out once we do the full review. But it came today, and I did need help getting it upstairs because this is actually a fairly big box, and it weighs a good bit. It's about 73 pounds according to the shipping material. And it is, let's see here, about 25 inches tall, on the order of 27.5 inches, I guess, deep or wide, I guess is that dimension, and about 20.5 inches deep. That's just the box. We're not talking about the subwoofer. That's just the box, just to give you an idea. And like I said, to bring this upstairs, I did need help. One of the things I do like is they actually give you some pretty good handholds right here. That's just plastic surround, so you can get your hand in there and really pick it up, and so it makes it a little easier to carry. I honestly wish they had some handholds on the side of the box, but I mean, hey, it's fine. We were able to just get it and kind of carry it up. So anyways, this is it. Let's go ahead and let's unbox it and see what we have in the box. Okay, so Monoprice, like all other subwoofer manufacturers, I shouldn't say all of it, but all other good ones that I've seen, they give you the box within a box. So that means that it should help keep it in good condition and without any scratches or dents or anything if the outer box gets torn up in shipping or something like that. So that's good. So let's unbox this side. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. Open that up a little bit. First thing we have is a power cable. So we like power cables. They don't really give you a good way to figure out how to pull this out, so I'm gonna try pulling out. I guess I'll pull out these sides here first and see how they look. See how things look from there. Some very thick, high density foam to protect it during shipping. All right. Oh boy. So this is the look I have here. That's actually a black cloth that surrounds it. And I guess I'll pull this out first. This is the black grill, or the grill I'm assuming, and that is the desiccant that just fell out of there. Keep everything nice and dry. Yeah. So here's the grill, guys. The grill doesn't look nearly as big as the box, obviously, but it's kind of cool. Also on this, wow. Something I wasn't expecting. A pair of white gloves. So you can actually do your own white glove delivery of this. So I'm guessing some of this is piano black or something like that. So, but just so you don't get any scratches or anything like that. So that's kind of cool. Nice little touch, Monoprice. Nice little touch. All right, let's see if we can pull this bad boy out of here. So just so you guys can see the box, that's how the box looks on the inside, like that. All right, enough about the box, who cares? Let's get to what you guys actually came here to see. So here it is. This is the subwoofer. It is very large, as you can tell, and they put it in a felt. This is basically a felt, and it's literally a bag. Wasn't exactly expecting a bag. I was expecting more of a cloth, but it is a bag, and I say that because it has drawstrings on it. So I guess just pull it out like this. That's some pretty good shipping. This is the first subwoofer I've gotten in that's got a felt bag around it. Back a little bit to get it back in the shot. Okay, so here it is. This is the front of it. Nice 10-inch subwoofer, and you guys probably can't hear that, but that sounds high quality. Let me tell you, this is a black ash finish. Very sturdy feeling. And to be honest with you guys, when I saw the pictures of this on Monoprice's website, the first thing I thought about was, man, this looks like the subwoofer Batman would have in the Dark Knight series. It's a very manly looking sub from the pictures, and honestly I guess it does look pretty manly even from this side. And man, if I had the 12 or the 15-inch, it'd probably be even beefier and manly looking, you know. Here is the port plug, a nice high density foam. Pretty nice little port in there. If you want to run it sealed, just stick that back like that. Turn it on this side so you guys can see it. Whew. Threw my weight, threw balance off there. All right, and so this is the rear. Got crossover phase, level, on off, EQ extended, power EQ, service port, power button, plug, XLR, LFE and line in unbalanced. So you got balanced and unbalanced inputs, and that's the subwoofer, guys. This is really nice. Really nice. I honestly wasn't expecting this, but it's really nice. This is from Monoprice, and that's all we have for this week. Like I said, this is a nice little gift to get in and see if we like this one as our backup sub, I guess you could say, for our room. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and consider supporting us on Patreon. We'll talk to you next time.